my gosh. I've been cleaning for hours. You know, I wish there was just some way I could go outside and have a lot of fun while doing exercise. Okay, look where we are, gang. We're up here, Vetter Mountain. There's my mom with the car. We're here. This is a blue trail. We'll be hiking up. It'll be a fun day. We might go hit some bigger woodwork later later in the day. I forgot a belt, so I don't want to reenact this.
Oh, look at oh.
Anyway, I think it's time to get riding. Let's talk more ride. Why is my bike so loud today? I'm kind of hoping that's all chain slap. Very chilly. Anyway, we're gonna hike up here. Okay. We're up at the top right now. I just climbed up this entire thing. And we're here. Top of the trail with my bike. So we're gonna have a good time. Okay, so I've switched the camera. It's on my chest now. But, oh no. Yeah, I just caught my chain ring on that log. That's okay. Oh. Howdy. We're gonna hike up here for the video. Because there's people. You can see someone rode it. Looks fun. But it is actually a hike. Okay. Holy crap. Okay. Okay, back down at the pedal bike. Ah, God. It's not grippy today, that's for sure. Something good about this trail is that there's a whole bunch of fresh burn. Freaking bug in my mouth, man. Freaking bug in my mouth, man. Yep, that was intentional. Ow, that really hurt. Wow. Oh yeah. Right. I'm not trying to hit anything super new today. Whip. That was not a whip. Oh god. Creek. Creek next to it. Okay, we got it. We ball. Oh, they got rid of that little rock that was there. Man, well, I'd never kill anybody except the people I killed on the ground in it. Alright, so I've slightly adjusted how I'm recording. So instead of 24, which my last couple videos have been, we're in 30 FPS. So it'll look a little smoother through maybe some of the spots where there's a lot of light. But other than that, it shouldn't actually look different. I'll probably record a video here soon of like 120 to 240 FPS just for slow-mo. Wow. Chain. Oh, the sound is chain slap. Yeah, a little bit of sliding sliding out. Shut up and ride for all that. Let's go. Back on this road again. That guy looked really hurt, but he had other people with him, so I'm not worried. Wet touch there. There's a lot of buildup. Oh, that jump was destroyed, okay. Oh, that berm. I went high to low and not there. I went low to high. That was not good. High, low, low, high. Oh my god. Okay, so this here is a double black jump trail. Probably one of the only flow lines in the mountain, actually. Means. And I didn't even hit it. So easy. This trail. Okay. I wouldn't mind seeing some of the green. What is this? Yo. That looks sick. A nice truck too. I love those trucks. I don't know what I'm. Oh, that's a whole bunch of mud up my back. Alright, we're back. There's actually a little drop into this trail up here. What is this thing? Okay. Doesn't look like there's any other people. That's fun. Thumbnail from that. Ow. I think I just touched my camera. Whoops. We're gonna play a little game. Tell me, can you guess what sound is coming from my bike? Freaking chain slap. If you guess number 3, you'd be correct. That is actually the sound of my bike. I'm so tired. Yeah, it is chain slap. Okay. That's alright. Chain slap is okay. Yay, that was so bad. Yeah, I just contemplated we're not gonna have that blow up my shock. Perfect. I'm down until I can move my hand a little bit. Okay, there we go. Yo, what is that sound? Sounds like my wheels are about to fall off. God. Get the shit out of it a little bit. We cracked. God.
Basically falling apart.
Like and subscribe if you love mountain bikes. Bye.